Veg Manchurian. Veg Manchurian is a fusion of Chinese cooking with Indian cooking techniques and ingredients. This recipe includes two-stage preparation. First, we prepare vegetable balls from finely shredded veggies, corn flour and all-purpose flour, followed by deep frying. Secondly, we prepare sauce to saute these balls. So let's take a look at the ingredients. For this, I have shredded these vegetables: 1 cup cabbage, 1/4 cup green capsicum, 1/2 cup cauliflower, 1/2 cup carrot, oil for frying and cooking, water, 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons tomato ketchup, 1/2 cup chopped spring onion. Make sure to keep green and white parts separate, 1 teaspoon chopped ginger, 1 teaspoon chopped green chilies, 1/2 tablespoon green chili sauce, salt according to taste, 2 tablespoon corn flour, 1/2 teaspoon vinegar, 1/2 tablespoon soya sauce, 1 teaspoon chopped garlic, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder. Strain all excess water from shredded vegetables by pressing between the hands. I have already strained all water. Now mix them well. Now add all-purpose flour, corn flour, black pepper powder and salt and mix them properly. Now make Manchurian balls of this size. Make sure balls should not be too hard or too loose. Add little water if you feel mixture is too dry. Now heat oil in a wok till it's medium hot. Check if oil is hot enough by adding a small ball. It should sizzle but should not burn. Now add all balls to oil. Don't stir them immediately as they can break. Fry on medium heat till they are golden brown. Now our balls are ready. They should look like this. Now strain them out of oil on a paper towel so all excess oil is absorbed by paper. Now we will prepare sauce mixture for Manchurian gravy by mixing tomato sauce, chili sauce and vinegar in a small bowl. Mix them well. Now heat oil in a pan at medium heat. Add white part of spring onions. We will use green part later for garnishing. Now add ginger, garlic, green chilies and stir them for 2 to 3 minutes on medium heat till they are slightly cooked. When it's cooked, add sauce mixture. Give it a little stir. Then add soya sauce and mix it well. Add salt according to taste. Be cautious because all sauces already have salt. Then add 1/2 cup water. Keep stirring and wait till it gets a boil. Now add fried balls and stir them to cover them in sauce. Now Veg Manchurian is ready to serve. Garnish it with spring onions, green and julienne carrots to give it a restaurant style look. This dish is perfect as a starter if you are throwing a party or a potluck. Usually it is served with fried rice or noodles. You can also have it alone as a snack as it tastes awesome.